to winterize, you're gonna drain your low point drains, which I'll show you where those are. And then
Okay.
Winterize in Houston.
only thing we do is drain the low point drain, drain all the tanks, drain the water heater, and then we have a blowout plug, which you can get. They're $3. Hook it up to right here to your city water, and hook a air compressor up. Then you're gonna go to each faucet and the toilet, and you're gonna do it individually and blow the water out.
Okay, so basically you just got air.
Yes.
Okay.
Now, if it gets 30 degrees for several days, then yeah, you'll need antifreeze. The main thing is the toilet and the faucet. Those are the two that are the most. So the toilet has a water valve in there.
Yeah.
So after you've done doing that,
Okay.
until no water comes out.
Okay.
I'm serious, because the valves will break, the water valves, and they're $50.
Okay.
And they've gotten smart enough. They've put some things in there to tell that it's gotten frozen bad. So when it starts freezing, we stock up on water valves.
Okay.
All right. So right here, this is for your satellite, for your living room, cable, auxiliary bedroom, and outside TV. So this is worth for cable, and then this is going to be for if you want in the living room, or remember, the one that you're getting is only for one TV.
Yeah.
Right.
We only have one TV.
So yeah. So just put it in the living room, and
Okay.
so once we install it, I'm going to show you how to work it when we go inside.
Okay.
Okay?
What if we wanted to have a TV out, like under the patio?
There's an
outside.
auxiliary.
And
Yeah.
I'm going
That
to
would
show
be
you when we
auxiliary?
go on the other side where to plug in.
Okay.
Okay? All right. Next, you ready?
Yeah.
Now it's time for black tank, or for dumping. So right here is where you're going to hook up to. That's your dump. Okay? So you have a gray, and a black. Logically, this is going to be your shower, your sink, and your black tank.
Okay.
Okay? But these should be sink shower. You won't know until you do
One
it.
sink, one shower.
Yes.
Okay.
So when you get to the campsite, now I remember us talking hose. This is the better hose. Okay, this is the $120 hose, but it's squishy.
Yeah.
Okay, and it's thick.
Okay.
So it also has,
You get to see if it's flowing.
yes.
Yes.
So when you get to the campsite, you can go ahead and hook up. If it has a dump, you just cannot leave the valves open like that. Like this is open. Okay? They all need to be closed.
So if we hook up at a campsite, we close the black and the
Yes.
gray tanks.
All of them.
All of
What
them.
you would do is maybe every couple of days go out and
We're
open
gonna show you.
Okay.
Okay? So inside you have a sensor. Okay? And I'll show you how to read it, and it'll tell you when it's between 2/3 and full is when you're gonna dump. So the first thing to do is pull the black, which is the first one, let it dump out. Once it's done dumping, then you're going to get a regular water hose and hook it up to the Y at the faucet. That's why you want the
Yeah.
Y. And hook it to your black tank flush.
Okay.
You don't want to leave that hooked up to your black tank flush all the time.
Okay.
Problem with that is as soon as you turn water on, it's on.
Okay.
So if someone comes and flips the switch, what that's going to do, and your valve is closed, it's going to fill up inside and flood inside. We don't want to do that.
So that's the black tank flush
Yes.
right there. Okay.
So once you're done dumping, and
Disconnect the outside water from it.
yes, so once you start flushing, now when you start flushing, leave the black valve open, okay? Because if not, it's going to fill up again.
Okay, so in normal operations, all the valves are closed. When I want to flush the black tank,
You're going to pull the valve open.
I'll open it, I'll hook the water to it. After I've hooked,
After you've got the
after the hose
yes,
connected.
and after you've already dumped the black tank, you got to dump it first, then hook the
Oh, to flush it. Okay, so I it'll automatically, it'll just get in that slinky basically, and then I flush it through the slinky using that. Okay. But the first step to connecting the hose is right there. Right. Okay.
When you get at the campsite.
Okay.
Or if you're dumping to leave. Either
Okay.
way. Once you're done with that, then you're going to go over here. I recommend pulling the sink next because we have food, grime, and grit.
Yeah.
Okay? And a sink drain can smell worse than a black tank.
Oh well.
Then the next one is to pull the shower. That's going to flush out your hose.
Okay.
Now you'll see some people say, oh, you can pull your gray and let it just flush straight out. Problem with that is you're going to get smells and gnats. If you leave the black tank open and you just go straight from toilet down to septic, water rushes out, waste stays into the tank and stacks up on each other.
Okay, so what was that again now? But I've got flushing the black tank down, which is the first one, then go to the gray for the sink theoretically. How do I flush? I
Just pull it.
So I would close that one, then I would pull this one.
Yep.
And it'll flush.
Yep.
Okay. I've heard things about filling up the gray tank and then letting it flush.
You can do that.
Okay. How would we fill it up? Oh, by
inside.
Oh, by.
But there's also something else we can get you that is it's a clear finder.
Yeah.
And it has a little thing. Basically, it's a tank flush. If you don't have a tank flush, you can use this as a tank flush, but you can also use it on your gray tank. And I'll show that to you inside.
Okay. So, but right now, if I want to flush my gray tank, I open that, and it drains. Then I would close it and pull the other one. Right. All the time with the same hose. And you're doing that after the black tank because it'll flush the solids out.
And it's gonna, because you've already flushed, use the black tank flush until you see clear water, so your solids should already be out.
Yeah.
But that's gonna clean your hose. It's gonna have soapy water in it, stuff like that.
Okay.
Now,
Is that
So
hose
close.
still hooked to the black flush?
no,
So the black tank is the only one you're flushing?
Yes.
That's the only place, when you hook a hose to that black rubber thing, it only goes to the black tank. Got it.
You're using what's in the tank to flush the other ones.
Yeah.
That flush those other ones.
this is digested.
Yeah.
Digest it, liquefies everything. Okay, so once you're done dumping, close everything up, we're gonna go inside and fill our toilet up almost all the way full and flush it 8 to 10 times. When y'all go to camp tonight, before you do anything, flush it 8 to 10 times. It's putting water back into the tank, so the waste is not just sitting at the bottom.
Okay.
Then you're gonna put 2 to 4 ounces of this. You also can put 2 to 4 ounces in your gray tanks too. If you want a little bit of water in there, you can do that. Just run the shower or run the sink. Now, this, we all know our sensors can read full and empty when full. This will eat all the stuff off our sensors. It will clean our sensors. So we want to, if you get where your sensors aren't reading right or you get a clog for some reason, fill the tank all the way up, pour a quart of this in. Leave it 24, 48 hours, and then dump it.
Okay.
But say you're done dumping and you're heading home, okay? Still go ahead and put the 8 to 10 gallons of water in the black tank and put this digested in. Splish splash, driving down the road, we're cleaning. Just don't do it when it's freezing.
Okay. Oh, okay.
And you do have those, the red and the blue lines right there, that's your low point drains.
And they will drain, all you can do is open them? They will drain regardless of what the valves
Like when we're blowing it out to winterize.
Yep.
Okay. Is that the only time I mess with those guys?
Yes.
Okay.
And I've got these, it depends. They have stackers, which are already Legos.
Yeah.
They come in a packet of 10. You can use those underneath the jacks or these.
Okay.
So it just depends.
Okay.
I'm just giving you options.
Options. Okay.
Is it a lot easier me showing you how to use everything?
Yes.
Instead of explaining it?
Yes.
50 amp cord, surge protector first, verify the plug is good.
Yep.
Once we verify plug is good, then we'll plug this into it and it'll, if you get a power surge, it'll take it out, not the trailer.
Right. I heard, well, I've seen different guys do different things, but they test, they put the surge protector on, they test it, they get green lights, they shut the surge protector off. I mean, the
power off.
power
Every
off,
time you put-
connect everything,
and then
flip it back on.
Exactly.
Okay, I like that better because
Exactly.
I saw a guy walking last night with a hot wire and he was
Yes.
sticking it into his trailer.
Yes.
And this, you basically put it in, do you righty tighty this?
Yes.
Okay, and then lefty loosey, okay.
And these, I've already got that search or third over screen on. I'm just gonna do this one.
Okay.
Tires, I've got the X chocks to go between. That's gonna help with the movement.
Right.
Even though you have, because it's a fifth wheel, you can get the tongue jack in the front to go on the kingpin stabilizer.
Mm-hmm.
But if you use the X chocks, you don't need to.
Okay.
Okay, I would try the X chocks first. You still get some movement,
Okay.
but the level, I mean, because the levelers are going to work and they're going to stabilize.
Right.